Welcome back to How to Authority. If you're trying to get somewhere and you just need directions, constantly having to whip out your phone and see where you're going, that can get very annoying, especially when you just have a useful little Galaxy Watch right there on your wrist. So how exactly can you navigate using Google Maps on your watch? Well, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do is when you're on your watch, swipe down and then go all the way to the right until you see this right here, which allows you to turn on the location. So just do that and there we go, GPS tracking will be enabled on your watch. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is then just swipe down until you see the Google Maps app on your page right there. From there, you have two options in the top. As you can see on the left, you can either search for pretty much any kind of location you want, like you would on a normal Galaxy Maps app on your phone. However, if I go into it, you'll see that it's kind of annoying to type anything because of how small the characters are. But if you just type in any location on your actual device linked to your Galaxy Watch, then you'll be able to just whip up the app and it will automatically transfer the directions to your watch. So that's going to save you a lot of hassle instead of having to painstakingly search a location on your watch. There's also another option right there, and that is to just show you exactly where you are in this very simple map. It doesn't show you any directions, but just as a great way to get a very good sense of direction and just see the surroundings around you on Google Maps. Finally, in the previous menu, you can also see that there's a list of all of the recently searched locations, as well as any pinned locations, like for example your home or your work, so you can quickly just toggle those as well and quickly search from your location. So as you can see, navigating via your watch is super simple to set up. In fact, your phone does pretty much everything for you in terms of the setup and connectivity between your phone and your smartwatch, and it is a very convenient way of getting around instead of having to constantly look on your phone. It can even do things like vibrate whenever you have to turn, so you know when you actually have to do it. It's all pretty fantastic stuff. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more videos like this in the future.